Hush him out. Yeah, so unboxing of the Xbox One X by Mr. David Peterson. David, do the honors.
Yo.
Show
You
this-
wanna open it?
These PlayStation punks. What does it be like?
You understand?
This fresh Xbox scent versus the old Hopsbed PlayStation scent.
Cripsy Bipsy. We have what you call it?
Throw that away.
Pass or some kind of thing so. You understand?
Free nets.
Oh yes!
That
Oh.
Xbox PlayStation is only peanuts.
Look it, all you look it. Look it.
Only we get robbed.
You understand? With Vicks.
We get robbed.
You understand?
With the bubble wrap.
No bubble wrap, boy.
No bubble.
No bubble wrap.
Shit. But say, all the PlayStation fans have something, or like a clap about all them won't be getting bubble wrap and all that.
You understand? It's a bit too heavy, as you said.
Yeah, 12
And
phones,
this
boy.
is the beauty.
Check out the one star.
Sweet.
Xbox One X.
Oh crap. There goes my controller.
Can't do that PlayStation, you know. You have the brand new one there, you know.
Yeah, boy. There's a good carpet. And it
Carpet. Carpet, the man have, eh?
Alright, let me see.
Not carpet, carpet.
We have a nice little sweet controller. Of course, we give you batteries.
Hey, free batteries, how we talking
Well,
about?
you know Microsoft will always give you batteries.
Free batteries, yeah. I say, peanuts with Microsoft, peanuts with
Cool.
Xbox.
To push the
Sony.
hole,
Make sure it go in the hole good.
in case somebody
In the correct direction
they
too.
know where the hole is.
Alright, we have some,
And we have a next cord, put the machine next hole. So it's two holes.
yes, 2 holes.
One hole in front, one hole in the back.
No, actually 2 holes in the back.
Two in the back?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Two in the back, well, yeah.
And what we are there again. That's it?
That is it, I think, you know. That is it.
Right. So you want to mount up this?
Yeah.
And a little get to see what it look like when it's running.